The human body is a unified system, where every part plays a specific role, including the substances it excretes. One of those constantly present but often overlooked secretions is earwax. So why do we produce earwax, what is its actual role, and why do some people have dry earwax while others have wet earwax? Let's explore with science and spirituality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel and receive more useful videos. Earwax, also known as cerumen, is a thin layer of secretion that accumulates on the skin of the outer ear canal. Earwax is present in most mammals, including humans. Our bodies produce earwax from sebum in the ear canal mixed with dead skin cells, sweat, and dust. Under the action of cilia on the surface of the glandular cells, earwax, once formed, moves from the inside to the outside, and when it reaches the outer ear canal, it tends to dry and peel off. At this point, new earwax will be formed in the ear canal to replace the old earwax that has been removed. Scientifically, earwax is composed of fat and cholesterol, which give newly formed earwax a yellow, slightly sticky appearance. Although it's just a bodily secretion, changes in earwax color can be a warning sign of health problems. Earwax acts like a guard that prevents bacteria and fungi from attacking the tissues inside the outer ear canal, reducing the threat to human hearing. In addition, a moderate amount of earwax acts as a lubricant that helps sound waves travel more easily and prevents small insects, dust, and other debris from entering the ear. Earwax formation is a natural process of the body and its properties can vary depending on an individual's constitution, race, environment, age, and diet. Whether earwax is dry or wet depends on the activity of the earwax glands in each person. Some people only have dry earwax, while others always have wet earwax, but most Vietnamese people have dry earwax. Regardless of whether it's dry or wet, earwax plays a role in protecting the ear canal. On the other hand, according to research, wet or dry earwax can be determined by genetics. Dry earwax is commonly found in 95% of people living in Asia, the Pacific, and the Americas. Wet earwax, on the other hand, is more prevalent in Europeans and Africans. This is explained by the genetic evolution of humans to adapt to different climates. Abnormal signs of earwax. One symptom of otitis media is foul-smelling earwax. This sign indicates that your ear may be infected or damaged in the middle ear, and if left untreated, it can lead to chronic otitis media. In addition, if you feel any balance problems, ear ringing in your ears, or feel a fullness or blockage in your ear, see a doctor immediately. This phenomenon warns of problems such as scratches inside the ear causing bleeding or a perforated eardrum, so you should have it checked immediately and never ignore it. If your body sweats a lot, the fluid coming out of your ear may be sweat that has entered the ear, mixed with earwax, and then drained out. If you don't sweat but your earwax is very wet and green or dark yellow, it could be a warning sign of ear infection. The body will know how much earwax to produce. However, if you clean your ears too often, your brain will receive feedback and send signals to produce more earwax. This is not necessarily good because it can easily cause ear infections and other dangerous complications. On the other hand, stress, intense concentration, and increased sweat production can also promote earwax production. Not to mention, medical conditions such as ear infections or ear deformities can also cause excessive earwax buildup, affecting ear function. Therefore, you should see a specialist immediately if you find that you have an unusual amount of earwax. Flaky earwax is not a disease. Flaky earwax is a sign that you are getting older. The elderly tend to have flaky earwax, which is a completely normal physiological phenomenon. If earwax suddenly disappears and is no longer produced, you may have a very rare and unexplained disease called keratosis obturans or ear canal keratin buildup. This condition is described as, instead of moving out of the ear canal on its own, earwax accumulates inside the ear until a hard plug forms. At this point, the patient may experience earache, fever, and if the earwax accumulates too much, it can cause ear swelling and inflammation. In this case, you should see a specialist to treat it. Never try to remove earwax yourself, as this can be dangerous to your ears. Dry and wet earwax, if there are no abnormalities, is nothing to worry about. However, if you notice any abnormalities, you should see an ear, nose, and throat specialist to find the cause and get timely treatment. Like, share, and subscribe to support the Science and Spirituality channel and receive more useful videos.